That's a new a glaze kiln. And I actually opened it before just because I have no patience. I just opened it. Oh, look at what happened. Oh, shit. Okay, never mind. This is it came out amazing. This is under glaze. It's supposed to be green, dotted green. Dots, green with dots. And I didn't put any clear glaze on top. And this is how it looks like, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I made it. And I made this, and unfortunately it got stuck to the shelf here. I'm gonna have to fix it and fix it here. This is not so bad. It's a planter, but I thought it came out beautiful.
It is beautiful.
Yes. Yes. Turned out to be very, very nice. This one of my students made. This clay is dotted clay, which I like, but I don't know, for some reason
Why?
her work is always full of cracks. I think it's because the way she makes it, it's too thin, or maybe she uses too much water. I have no idea. I mean, it's nice. She puts it in her garden. She made maybe 6, 7, 10. I don't know. I lost count. She puts it in the garden like that. It's nice. Okay, this is black and white clay, and I actually put this glaze. It's like a antique blue on top. I thought it came out nice. This is also antique blue. It's also nice. This is underglaze, red. I like it. This clay is actually, I had like a leftover black clay and a lot of white, like, so I decided to make like a mishmash. Turned out to be gray. It's nice. Okay, next. Okay, this is interesting. This I took it from work. I work with handicapped people, and this actually made one of the people that I work with all by himself, and I was so proud of him. Oh, it's in Hebrew. I forgot. Mishpachat Sarchan. We're gonna give it as a gift to one of the volunteers at where I work, and that's his family name. Mishpachat is family, and that's Sarchan is his last name. Okay. This made by Kochi, which is very, very nice.
Cute. Mm-hmm.
Yes, she's gonna love it. Beautiful. It turned out beautiful. Here. Next. Wow. That's cute, but I think she wanted it to be more red and green. But I think it's nice.
Yeah, it's cute.
The colors are not sticking out as she wanted. That's what I think. And I think it's nice. And this is that's the second one. Perfect. Mishpachat Davidson. That's another one that he made, which is really amazing. He did it all by himself, completely by himself. Okay. Put it here. Now, here are the tops for the burners that I made before. Since my kiln is very small, I didn't have enough space for all the burners to fit in the kiln, so I had to do it twice. Okay. So this is one. This is two, and I think I have more. This is all for the same company. Okay.
Whoa.
Why don't I break something? Okay. Okay. And this is the last one. Okay, this is the second time actually it's nice. It's the second time I put in the kiln glaze, because the first time it was too dark. The white part didn't come out the way she wanted, so she added some white glaze to the leaves, and I think it's nice. It turned out nice. Okay, now let's see how that turned out. This is also nice. This also had a problem, which I don't understand how, but it was like the first time we put in the kiln, it had brown underglaze, and something happened, some sort of like a reaction, and it peeled. It like peeled off, and
the glaze.
So, the glaze, yeah. So we kind of like scraped it, and we put a different. You see, this is like a red, but I think she's gonna have to deal with it. This is the way it is. This came out nice. I don't know, some sort of a weird reaction. If you can actually see the cracks, how it actually like, look here, you see like all these cracks, it broke, which is very, very weird. Never happened to me, never. But what can I say? Things happen in the kiln. Sometimes you can expect them, sometimes you don't, and you learn.
I think it's actually nice.
Yes, but it's not something that's supposed to be. If I wanted it to be like that, I would have made it like that. I would have taken like clay, and I would make it look like that. But it was not her intention. Now, if it's not your intention and it happens, then it's not fun. Anyway, so that's it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.